welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be reviewing the Tower cooking saucepan. It's a beautiful saucepan, even though it has a bit of little problems, but I love it and I still want to recommend it. I've had it for about 6 months now. I didn't do the review immediately because I read some reviews that were not very good, but I still went ahead and bought the pot because I wanted something large enough for a family of 5. So the cooking pot is got the rose gold, and inside it you have the non-stick, and this is the beauty of this pot. There's no way, even when we cook the African jollof rice, that usually stick to the pot. I've been in the catering industry now for almost 20 years, and there's never been a pot that says non-stick that usually don't stick. They all, no matter how expensive they come, they stick. But with this one, it doesn't stick. You just have to, scrape it gently, wash it out, and all your burnt food come out. Also, the other little thing I've noticed is that you use little oil, because the first time we cooked with it, I made some special fried rice and I used the usual quantity of oil that I normally use, and the rice was a bit too oily. So I realized that with this kind of cooking pot, you don't need so much oil. So this is also an advantage. If you like to cook with less oil, you go for this Tower pot. It's really nice, really nice, really beautiful. It's deep as well, and you can cook food for at least 10 people or even 12 people in this saucepan. So the other one that people were complaining about, that there's discoloration, which indeed is true. If you have a look at this, you will see that the color, the gold, has changed to black. But it doesn't really matter, because once you cover your pot, nobody sees, and the top of it still remains the rose gold. So it's just the inner pit, the inner corners of it that is like that. That's the review I saw, that it color discoloration, but I can live with it, and I would love to recommend this Tower pot if you need something large enough for a family of 5, or maybe you are cooking for about 10 to 12 people. I hope you've been able to enjoy this review on the Tower cooking pot. That is it. That's the brochure for it, and they've got 5 years warranty. So if you think you don't like it, you can easily return it, and it has a little instruction as well on the care and the use instruction. So this cooking pot is beautiful. I would love to recommend even the cookware range. I've got the range in the mug tree. I have it in the kettle. I also have it in the toaster, which I will do a quick review of each of them now, just to let you see what I think about the products being released out there by Tower. Thank you for watching my channel, and again, I see you soon. Bye bye.